know, we've all heard the term living the American dream. Well, I'm here in Charlotte, North Carolina, a mile from the downtown area, where a Serbian family is living the American dream. They got a funky little joint where they're serving up, now get this, pizza and Serbian food, just what you'd expect. This is Intermezzo Pizzeria.
It's something way more than a regular pizzeria.
Francese, order up.
It's a very, very diverse menu.
Eggplant moussaka.
Literally, I forget I'm in Charlotte when I'm here.
This feels like going to a Serbian home.
It basically is, with brothers Georgi and Branko Avramovic and Mom Dobrila dishing it up. Who's in charge? Mom's in charge,
let's face it.
I know. But it was Dad who first wanted to open a neighborhood joint. Was your father part of opening this?
No, my father passed away a year and a half after we came here.
His sons kept working on his dream, and in 2007, finally made it happen.
Cara Georgieva, order up.
This is the place to come for traditional food made in a traditional way.
Piroska, order up.
The Piroska is like a calzone, but better.
It's like pizza to the 9th degree.
All right, man.
We're gonna get pizza sauce, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes.
I'm gonna end up wearing some of the pizza sauce.
Oh, come on. Then add Parmesan, salt, pepper, parsley, oregano. Mix this
How
up.
long does this come together for flavor?
At least 24 hours.
Okay, and then it's good to go.
Whoa!
You're dangerous with that. You have to stay away from me.
On guard.
Now we're going to make the
Piroska.
Piroska. Throwing a few pizzas in your day.
No.
Yeah. Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese, a little bit of ricotta, parsley, garlic, mix. Mushrooms, ham.
And this is a traditional Piroska.
Yes, from my neck of the woods.
I like this. And we go to the oven.
505.
505.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Look at that thing, huh?
Sour cream goes on top of piroska. Provolone cheese on top. Pizza sauce. This is how we serve it.
This is how we serve it?
Yep, you've been served.
Wow. That's really, really good. The yeast in the dough really adds a nice tang. The sour cream, without question, is fantastic. And then the mushrooms and the ham, they're dynamite. I'm actually disappointed that I haven't tried this before. You learn something new every day. Piroska.
Piroska.
Outstanding.
Thank you.
Piroska.
It's like the flavor explosion of pizza that's inside out.
One of the best things I've ever eaten.
Everything I've had here has been excellent.
It's just a great sense of a community.
It seems like everybody that comes in here has known these guys forever.
Even if they don't always know what they're saying. I can imagine you bring people in for the pizza, but they come back for the Serbian
I would
food.
say over 50% is Serbian food, which we did not expect at first.
Order up.
If you come here, you'll feel warm, you'll feel welcomed, and you'll have a great meal.
Home run for sure.
I think your dad would be so incredibly proud of you and your brother and your mom for what you've done. Gotta come meet this family. They are living the American dream. Delicious.